I received the stitch gun as a gift, so let's take a closer look. This is a tagging gun for clothes. Let's open it and see what it comes with. Inside the box we have different needles. We have a whole bunch of tags. We have a user manual and a gun. I chose the purple with pink. The way you're gonna use it, you're gonna open it, you're gonna choose your tags, and you want to make sure the side goes in this hole right here and insert it like so. And then we have this to let it go. Take your fabric, you're gonna press it, and there you have it, nice and attached. I usually like to use it for my duvet covers, so the blanket and duvet covers, they don't separate. Once you're done, you're gonna close the needle back. I think it's really nice, useful little tool in home, so totally recommend it.